We are in week 3 of our production cycle, and we're continuing to work on our projects, and I'm going to go through that real quick. Just a reminder, always check the assignments up here in Schoology. Secondly, inside the session folder, all the assignments are listed out and the due dates are here as you go through. This is nothing new, and hopefully that all makes sense. Let's go into our assignment that is due this week for the journal. Just a reminder that the journal details are here, the template is here, the template looks like this. I've updated it for this week. We do not have school on Friday. Veterans Day is being observed, so you can click on that and find out. And a reminder, you don't have to put a best practice for every day, but look at the best practices and focus on the specifics of 21st century skills. And what I'm looking for is you're writing these words in there. Like, yes, I worked on critical thinking skills because, or I was communicating with my team effectively because. We're talking 1 to 2 sentences, maybe. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, and time spent, that's pretty obvious. Task, I want a sentence or so of like, what did you do that's different from the day before and the day after? So if you just say working on project, that's not enough. Imagine I'm paying you for specifically getting something done each day. So if you're working on your project, again, what specifically did you do that's different than the day before and the day after on this particular day? So detail is important. Okay, information up here, update this. It is week 3. We are in session 2, and your estimated numbers go here. It'll be a maximum of 4. And what's your goal for the week? Put that there. Hopefully that makes sense. You can put optional stuff down here if you want. Now, moving forward, game design, make sure that your Done Doc has details and is updated. Make sure that your itch page has a playable game. We started doing minimum viable product last week. We'll continue doing that this week. School of Rock. We are learning about the Music Will resources on how to learn the various instruments that we have. These top 4 I have books for with online tutorials and resources, so you can start to do a self-paced guide with that, and we'll talk more about that in class. Furthermore, we are going to do the Atomic Habits next week. We're skipping into this week because we still have Vancouver Film School visiting one of our classes today on Monday, and so we'll be back on Atomic Habits next Monday, focusing on implementation intentions. The resources are in the leadership folder in Schoology if you're interested, and you can check that out. Last week I asked you to self-assess by adding up the scores up to 4 for each column, then turning the paper over, going across the bottom and then up to see what your score is on a 4-point scale. That's what you would write down here, and I wanted you to do that. Most people did, some people did not. We will work with that this week. I will be talking to each person one-on-one about their scores, how they feel they're doing in each category, and if it isn't a 4, what their plan is to improve that. School of Rock, make sure that you're logged into our school, Soundtrap account, make sure it works. Yeah. Hook Theory, make sure that you have checked the email. I reminded people last week to make sure you're in Hook Theory, and that is the important thing for that. All right, we're working bell to bell, be on task, stand-up meetings, Scrum, burn down charts. We're just doing that normal process. All right, thanks for watching.